I'm Dawn. At Musico, we're all about health, and that includes healthy eating. We know that healthy eating can come at a cost. Today, we're going to answer the question, is Ruby better than a smoothie bar? If you're interested in trying it for yourself, you can get Ruby by clicking on the link in the description below. If you're interested in more tips and tricks about nutritional eating, subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get to crunching some numbers. As mentioned, today we're going to be looking at whether or not Ruby smoothies are really financially worth it. I'm going to do 3 comparisons, comparing making a Ruby smoothie, making a smoothie at home with the ingredients that I've collected, and buying a smoothie from a smoothie bar. So to help me with my comparison today, I've got my daughter Esperanza. Each package is $3.49 per smoothie. We're going to make a Ruby smoothie together and time ourselves to see how long it takes.
Mommy, can I make the smoothie?
Absolutely. I'll time you.
Okay. First we're going to add water up to the white line. Then we're going to add the Ruby smoothie in. Well, the powder.
The Ruby smoothie that I'm choosing to compare today is the Ruby Focus. I like the ingredients and I like the nutritional value. Make sure that lid's on tight. All right.
It's done.
All done? That was 56 seconds in total from start to finish. Not bad.
Now can I drink it?
Absolutely.
It's good, you should try some.
Thanks. I enjoy these. Our third part to the comparison is nutrition or nutritional value. So when you look at the package, you can see that in here there are 5 grams of fiber, 17 grams of sugar, which all are naturally occurring, and 2 grams of protein. There's no significant value of sodium in it. Overall, I'd say it's pretty healthy. It's packed with vitamins. We have all our ingredients collected. Now we need to add them all up. So we've got blueberries, $2.92. Grapes, $2.22. Blackberries, $2.92. Banana, 25 cents. Strawberry, $2.92. Broccoli, $1.97. Zucchini, 70 cents. We've got spinach for $2.95. Our Thai berry powder was $16.50, and the Mackey berry powder was $16.50, for a total of $49.83. We took this all into account and looked at how many servings we could get from each product that we purchased, divided that out, and so per serving, we ended up with a grand total of
$3.41.
That's how much it costs to make a homemade smoothie. Alright, Espe, I'm going to time you and have you make the smoothie. Are you ready? Okay, so find blueberries and blackberries first. One of the things that I like about Ruby smoothies is that they contain both fruits and vegetables. So I'm able to get fruits and vegetables into my kids. Each smoothie package has 4 servings of fruits and vegetables in it. So we measured out to get about 2 cups of the fruits and vegetables. And at this point we're at 5.5 minutes just from gathering just from putting the items into the smoothie. Alright, so 5.5 minutes to make the smoothie, but now comes the cleanup. No! Oh yeah. At 9 minutes and 40 seconds, she's made her smoothie and cleaned up. And I would say that I helped her out a little bit because I already had the ingredients picked out for her. I'd already shopped for the ingredients. So really, the true time on this is a lot more than just 9.5 minutes. Yes, you can eat banana. When it comes to our third point of comparison, it looks on the surface like it would be the same. We've got the same ingredients, right? Well, here's the difference. Some of those fruits and vegetables that I was putting in the smoothie have been sitting in my fridge for a couple of days. Each day that they sit, they lose nutritional value. When it comes to freeze-dried fruits and vegetables, they're picked fresh and freeze-dried immediately, which means that they don't have time to lose their nutrition. So, although this looks like it's the same, I would say that our homemade smoothies not quite as nutritious as the Ruby smoothie. Our third comparison is to purchasing smoothies from a smoothie bar.
Can we please go try?
Okay, so just for the sake of argument, we're going to go find out how long it takes them to make us a smoothie.
Let's go. Okay, So it's taken a 12-minute drive from my house to the smoothie bar. So let's go inside and see how long it's going to take them to make it for. Yum. So it took 2.5 minutes to make my delicious smoothie, but I did have to wait in line for a couple of minutes. So I think it was about 5 minutes. Would you say?
Yeah, about 5 minutes in total.
So there you have it.
There's no denying that smoothie bars are yummy. They can bring some nice enjoyment for a nice treat. However, when I started looking at the ingredients, it was really difficult to find a smoothie with the same ingredients as the Ruby smoothie. You've got almost double the sugar in most smoothies, even when you're trying to get close to the same ingredients to the Ruby smoothie that we were talking about earlier. The cost is almost double for a smoothie that comes close to the same ingredients as a Ruby smoothie. So we're talking going from $3.49 to $7.19. This was a great exercise for me to be able to go through. I was able to prove to myself that Ruby smoothies actually are more economical. They make sense financially, nutrition-wise, they're great, and when it comes to time, there's no question that they win hands down. If you're interested in trying it for yourself, you can get Ruby by clicking on the link in the description below. If you're interested in more tips and tricks about nutritional eating, subscribe to our channel.
For more fresh, healthy activities, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a healthy day. Together today.